Hi Ram students. So students, today we are going to discuss about the formative assessment, right? So I will brief you about the activity on disaster management. So before that, let's have a look at the formative and the summative assessment, right? The distribution of the marks. So children, unit test has been already done, right? There were two chapters for unit test which was carrying for 20 marks. Then a project was given in the month of June related to chapter 2, that is plant structure and function. So I hope students or everybody has completed that project. So that was carrying 10 marks. Next is activity on disaster management, that also carries 10 marks, which I am going to talk to you about it today. Then there will be an assignment, that is diagram. It will be based on the chapter heat, which will also carry 10 marks. That will be informed to you in the month of September. Then there will be an experiment on the chapter static electricity. So that will also carry 10 marks. Experiment will be explained to you on the video, and based on that some questions will be asked, right? And that will also be in the month of September. And your first semester, it will carry 40 marks. So total formative and summative, it will be of 100 marks. So I hope students, you have understood the distribution of the marks. Now let's speak about the project. Project was given on the topic plants, structure and function. So this was given in the month of June. So I hope everybody has completed this project. So now what you are going to do, you are going to put your name, standard, division and SID number on the project, and then you are going to upload it on your respective division group before 21st August. For example, if you are in 7th A, so you will upload it in your 7th A group only, right? Now how you are going to upload it? You will first take a photo of your project, and then this project, it will be saved in JPG format. Then you will open it and click on the tab file and then select the option as print. Then click on the tab print, you will get an option as PDF, and then save it in PDF format. So this will be available only on the desktop and laptop. For those who are using mobile, you have to download the app, that is JPG to PDF converter, and I think that app is available free. So I hope students, you have understood how you are going to upload it as a PDF. And then if you don't submit it before 21st August, then your project, it will not be assessed and marks will also not be given. So those students who have not done the project, you still have enough time to prepare it, right? So what was the project? It was based on the structure of leaf. You are supposed to draw the leaf, color it and label it, and then explain each and every part of the leaf. And then I had told you to draw 5 different types of arrangement of leaves on the stems, right? That was alternate, decussate, opposite, volt and spiral, right? So this was the project. So children, try to submit it before 21st August. So now we'll speak about the activity on disaster management, which you're going to do it, right? So what you're going to do, you're going to take a A4 size paper and you're going to write your name, standard, division and SID number on the paper. Then you will write the topic as disaster management. First, you will give an introduction about what is disaster and what is disaster management. Two lines is enough for disaster and disaster management. Then what will you do? You will write the types of disasters, that is famine, flood, tsunami, volcano, lightning, etc., right? And then you will explain any 2 types of disaster with pictures of that particular disaster, right? So out of these, you can explain any 2 disasters of your choice, and you can stick pictures related to that particular disaster. And suppose if you don't have you cannot find pictures, then you can also draw that particular disaster. Like you can, if you are using if you are going to explain the disaster flood, you can show water, and then the vehicles, they are underwater, trees are underwater. So like this picture you can show. Again, this also you will upload it in the PDF format in your respective division group. This activity, it carries 10 marks and you will be given 2 days for completing this activity. Now Tuesday, that is 11th August, you will be seeing, you have seen this video, and then the submission date, it will be on Thursday, that is 13th August by 8 p.m. right? So after 13th August, your activity, it will not be accepted and marks will also not be given. So I hope students you have understood. So I'll just recap. First, what you are going to do, your project, which is based on plant structure and function, that you are going to upload it in the PDF format only before 21st August. Those students who have not done it, you have enough time, you can still do it, right? Then I explained about the activity on disaster management. You are going to write the heading as disaster management, and then you will write the introduction, short introduction on what is disaster and what is disaster management. Then you will write the types of disasters and then explain any two disasters of your choice, and you will stick pictures related to that disaster, right children? So by 13th August, you are going to upload this activity on your respective division group, again in PDF format only. So I hope students you have understood about the formative assessment, right? So till then, goodbye.